Another day, another English lesson. Reported speech, questions and statements. Today, we will explore reported speech, how we report what someone has said in the past. Specifically, we'll focus on how to report questions and statements that are in the simple present tense. When we report what someone has said, we often need to backshift the tense, meaning we change the verb from present to past. Let's break it down with some examples. 1. Reporting questions. When reporting a question, we change the structure slightly. We don't use the exact question form, and we also backshift the tense. Direct question. Is there a final exam? Reported question. He asked if there was a final exam. Key points. Notice that is changes to was because we're reporting something that was said earlier, backshifting. We also add if because we're turning the question into a reported statement. 2. Reporting statements. For statements, we also change the tense from present to past. We usually start with something like, he said that, or she told me that. Direct statement. The food is too spicy. Reported statement. She told me that the food was too spicy. Key points. The verb is, becomes, was. That helps introduce the reported statement, though it can sometimes be left out in casual speech. Direct statement. I need help. Reported statement. He said that he needed help. Key points. Need changes to needed in the past. I also changes to he. This is called changing the pronoun. Now, watch and complete the reported speech sentences with the correct words. One. Direct speech. Is the store open? Reported speech. They asked if the store was open. Two. Direct speech. Are you hungry? Reported speech. He asked if I was hungry. 3. Direct speech. The sun is shining. Reported speech. John said that the sun was shining. Four. Direct speech. I need a break. Reported speech. She told me that she needed a break. 5. Direct speech. I feel tired. Reported speech. Maria said that she felt tired. 6. Direct speech. The dog is barking. Reported speech. Sarah said that the dog was barking. 7. Direct speech. I have too much work. Reported speech. She told me that she had too much work. 8. Direct speech. Do you like the movie? Reported speech. He asked if I liked the movie. Nine. Direct speech. The kids are playing outside. Reported speech. She told me that the kids were playing outside. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.